Today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of how to log into Eagle, RVC's LMS or Learning Management System. So we're going to start on our main page, rockvalleycollege.edu. There's a few areas you can access Eagle. You can click on RVC Eagle on the main page, or the My RVC tab, there is an Eagle option there. If I click on RVC Eagle, this page also brings up our Eagle support office. If you have any questions or need any help, you can call, email, or submit a support request online. I'm going to click on Eagle and then I'm going to log in. Now you'll log in with your S number and password that you use for all of your other logins at RVC. And your dashboard will look a little different than mine, but as you can see, once you log in, your published courses will be available for you to view. On the left-hand side, you have your courses. You'll have a calendar, which you can check if instructors have posted any dates, due dates of assignments. Your Eagle inbox is different than your RVC student email, so you'll want to make sure you're checking both your email and your Eagle inbox. Another important area will be the help menu. If you're having any challenges in your classes, need any help from Eagle support, you can take a look through all of these resources and the help option. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard, click on ST100, and click on Student View. So every class is set up slightly different, but you'll be able to see most pages have a welcome. Most classes have a welcome page. Make sure you're reading your announcements, your syllabus. The syllabus is very important to read through and make sure you understand all of the policies and procedures for the course. Modules are kind of like chapters in a textbook, so you want to make sure you read through any material that your instructor posts in modules. Some courses will have discussions. Discussion posts are a way to interact online with your peers and instructor. Assignments. Make sure you're checking the due dates. Quizzes. And you can check your grades in Eagle as well. Just remember that the Eagle grades are a scratch pad. You may also have access to Office 365 through Eagle. If you do not, you can access it through our website, and that is a free version of Microsoft that you can download. So that's just a quick run through of how to log into your class in Eagle. If you have any questions, you can contact the First Year Experience Office at 815-921-4094.